Nigeria's street foods. Come with me and let's see how it goes. Today I'm diving into the world of Abacha to see if it is really Africa's most delicious street food and why it is favorite among many Nigerians. So my friend and I decided to get Abacha, and what better way to get it than to get it from a local. We decided to go to one of the local sellers to buy the authentic Abacha so we can get the real taste from the roots. You understand what I mean? So this right here is Abacha, popularly known as African salad. Abacha is made with fermented cassava flakes as its base ingredient. Cassava is a popular staple food among Nigerians. About 70% of Nigerians consume cassava on a daily basis, so it makes a lot of sense that many Nigerians love Abacha as a favorite street food. African salad is native to people from the southeastern part of Nigeria, but enjoyed by Nigerians nationwide because of the hint of flavors and spices. This street food is made from cassava, vegetables like utazi leaves, garden egg leaves. It's also made with palm oil. So as we proceed with this video, I'll be tasting Abacha so you can see for yourself how delicious it looks and judge for yourself if it is something you would like to try or not. Come with me, let's taste Abacha. I think this is something you should definitely get. If you've never tasted Abacha, you should definitely try it because it's very nice and it's packed with nutrition. You have meat here, you have vegetables, you have a lot of things plus cassava and everything. So Abacha is something I would recommend you try if you've never tried it. The taste was so irresistible, so I kept on digging in. There are some misconceptions about African salad. Some people saying it is not safe for consumption due to the potash that is used to thicken the salad. For me, I would say that's not a problem because potash in African salad is optional. So I would suggest you check with your vendor if you are allergic to potash, or if you're pregnant, you can always request that yours be made without potash. Some people have actually not tried Abacha, but they condemn it without even trying. I would say you should keep an open mind when it comes to foods from other cultures because there are lots of traditional flavors in different meals like this one. Always check with locals for how hygienic the street foods are, and be sure to enjoy the beauty and taste that different foods have to offer. Let me know in the comments what you think about Abacha.